Today's lesson is the second lesson in topic 11, make line plots. What we're going to do today, we will solve questions like question number 3 here. In question number 3, we have some data in this table, and we need to draw the line plot. We have the line already, and we need to complete it. Okay, so to start, my heroes, please open your books page. Tell me, my heroes, what page is this?
598.
Yes.
598. 598.
Yes, 598. Thank you, my heroes. Go ahead, my heroes, open your books. And let's see how to do this. Okay, my heroes, please do not use your mics. I will read it and I will explain to you the main idea. So, here we have Serena measured the lengths of her colored pencils. How can Serena make a line plot to show these lengths? We have the data here in this table. In this table we have the length of each color. The red is 5 inches, the blue is 4 and 3/4 inches, and the green is 4 and 3/4 inches, and so on. Okay, how to start? I will move down to see how to start. The first step, we need to draw a number line, and we choose the scale. What is the meaning of the scale? The scale is the numbers that you will use. If you see here back, I will move back to the numbers here. As you can see here, we have the numbers 3/4, 1/8, 1/2. Oh, so we need to use a scale that shows us 3/4 and 1/8 and 1/2. So the scale here that we can use is using eighths. Why eighths? So we will use it 1/8, 2/8, like this: 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, and so on. Why we do this? Because we can use eighths to get equivalent fractions as fourths and halves. Okay, this is an example for this. Since 1/2 is 2/4 and 4/8. So now we know that we can use the scale eighths, and all of them, they are between 4 and 5. All the numbers between 4 and 5. That's why we need to use 4 to 5. I don't have less than 4 and I don't have more than 5. So it's all between 4 and 5. And I will divide it to 8 lengths and use eighths. Okay, so this is the first step. The second step, we will write a title for the line plot. The title is here, and label the line plot to tell what numbers represent. The numbers here is 4 for 1/8 and so on inches. Okay, the last step is the easiest one, and we will go through the colors. I want to go a little bit down so we can see the data with the plot together at the same time. Okay, the first one is red. As you can see, red is 5. So just place a point here at 5. The next step, sorry, not the step. The next color is blue, 4 3/3. So 4 3/4. 3/4 is equivalent to how many eighths? This is very easy. Multiply this by 2. So it's 6/8. That's why we have this point here. And so on for all numbers. This is again the same. So we put another dot here. This is also 4 1/8. So 4 1/8 here. And so on. 4 1/2. So 4 1/2. I want the half to be eighths. Multiply the 2 by 4 to get 8. So multiply the 1 by 4. So it's 4/8. So this point. And 3/4 is again 6/8. So we have this point because of the 4 3/4. And as you can see here, we can write it also. We can write them also down here. Okay. Now let's try to do this by ourselves. Move down. And let's do it, everyone in the book. Go ahead with me. Complete the line plot. What is the most, okay, this is a question. What is the most common shoe size? I have this question. We need to answer it. Which size is the outlier? Okay, let's start first with this part. Complete the line plot. Yes? Yes? Again? Okay, let's first take it step by step. I cannot explain to you now. But the outlier means the different numbers. The one which is different from all other numbers.
Yeah, but Mr. Like in the last lesson,
Mm-hmm.
why in the
Okay,
question
now
six
focus on this question.
outlier?
My hero, I cannot go back now. Malik, I cannot go now back. If you have any questions like these, you can ask it to me in private. Okay, but now I will not leave this lesson to go back. Okay. Now, my heroes, let's do it. So, the first number here is 4 1/2. I will mark this 4 1/2 and put a point here. Go ahead with me, everyone. Go ahead. Step by step, go ahead. Okay. The next one is 5 1/2. So 5 1/2. Put a point. Any problems till now? Any problems?
No.
Okay, let's continue. 4. Six. 7. Go ahead, my heroes. Step by step, go ahead with me. Do not wait. Okay, let's continue. And now I will do it faster. 5 1/2. 10. 6 again, 5 and 1/2, 6 again, okay, 8. Now if I stop here, I know that the next will be 5.5 because I'm erasing or canceling the numbers that I used already. I cancel the number first, then I put the dot. That's it, very easy. If you don't have any questions, Jed, please do not use your mic. 5 and 1/2. Okay, Jed, do you want to ask? Okay, let's continue. 6 and 1/2. 5.5. Where is it? Yes, here. Oh, okay. This is very long one, but it's okay. Okay. Now, any problems till now? Any problems?
No, Mr.
Okay, let's see the two questions here. The first thing is the most common shoe size. So the first question is the most common shoe size is Riyadh. Riyadh. Okay, Riyadh, what is the most common shoe size?
Most common shoe size? 5.5.
Excellent. Till now, my heroes, any problems? Do you know from where we get this 5.5? This is the most common shoe size. Any problems? Okay, someone was asking about the meaning of outlier. I think it's Malik, right?
Yeah, it's me.
Okay, Malik, help me for this one. I need here which one is outlier, which size. So size. Okay, I should use capital letter here because this is a new line. Is an outlier. Okay, my hero, Malik, go ahead.
I don't know because all of them are different from each other.
Oh, outlier means it's far away from other dots.
Far away.
Yes, which one is far away from all dots here?
5.5.
5.5. It's in the middle.
Which one is far from all of them? 10.
Yes. So as you can see here, this is 10. Oh, it's very far from all others. You can see? But this 4 is not outlier. No, this is not outlier because it's the same like others. It's near to other dots. So the outlier here is size 10. Is it clear now?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Malik. This is Malik Abdul Wahab. Okay. Any problems, my heroes? Any questions? Okay, 30 seconds. Finish writing quickly. Then we move to the next page. Of course, you don't need to make circle here or arrow. Just finish, complete the drawing and write the answer. Is there anyone writing now? Okay, let's move to the next page. And now, my heroes, I want you to try to solve question number 3 by yourselves. Go ahead. Go ahead, everyone. You have 1 minute. Go ahead, and you have 1 minute to solve it. Question number 3. Use the data here to finish this line plot. Okay, as you can see here, red is 6 1/4. Where is 6 1/4? Find it and put a dot here. That's it. Very easy. One minute, my heroes. Go ahead.
I finished.
Great. Okay. Okay, my heroes, please do not use your mics. Okay, we need first to finish the drawing. Then we will see. We can ask this question, yes. But it's not a question here. In fact, we don't need to write the answer. But we can discuss it together. Okay, now my heroes, let's go ahead and start solving. And for the drawing, just the next one is 5 1/4. So place a dot here. The green is 6 3/4, so the dot will be here. Purple, 5 3/4, so 5 3/4, place the dot. Orange, 6 3/4, so here we have another dot. And yellow, it's 6 2/4. Any problems? Okay, Abdurrahman, what's the most common?
Yes, teacher.
What is the most common length?
6 3/4 because it has 2 dots.
Excellent. Great work. Okay, my heroes, now let's move down. Is there anyone drawing? Okay, everyone, let's move down. And you have 1 minute to finish this drawing. And when you finish the drawing, you have question here. Answer it. Of course, you will use these data for the drawing. Oh, great, Malik. Great work.
Done, mister.
Wow.
Help me, teacher.
Great work. Okay, when you finish this one, move to the next page and you have question number 10. Okay? When you finish this question, finish also question number 10. So I will give you 1 more minute. If you have any problems with the drawing or with the questions, please tell me. I may help you. Great. Also great work. Thank you, my son. Okay. Now, my heroes, I will do the drawing. Then I will ask someone to help me with the question. The drawing 8 inches. It's 8 and 1/2 inch. So I have here 8, 8 and half, sorry, 8 and half. Okay, again. This is, I didn't read the question. I'm sorry, my heroes. I should read it. Use the data in the table to complete the line plot. Oh, okay. These are different data. These are different. So the first one is 8. The second one is 8 and half. Okay, I can take them horizontally or vertically, whatever. So 8 and half.
Done.
6 and half. Great. 8. I'm drawing step by step. If you have any problems, tell me. If you don't have, please do not use your mic. 6 and half. Okay, so here. 8. 7 and half. 6 and half. 6 and half. Okay. And 8 again.
Yes, yes, I'm here.
Okay. Any problems?
No, no problems.
Okay, please mute your mic. ثامر ليس ثامر Okay. إبراهيم جلالة علاء. So Thamir, Ibrahim Jalala, Ala, if you are here, please answer me. You have notes before. Please answer me if you are here. Okay, Muhammad. If you can wait till we finish the session, it will be better. If it's urgent, yes, you can go. Abdurrahman.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, go ahead, Abdurrahman. What is the length? Mm-hmm. So the longest is, start with the longest, of course. 8. Are you sure? Because I can see here that I have, oh, I don't have any dots here for the 9.
No, the answer is 8 and 1/2.
Yes, so this is the longest bracelet. Okay, this is 8 and 1/2 inches. And the second part, what is the shortest?
Second part is 8.
The shortest.
No, I'm 6 and 1/2.
Okay, thank you, Abdurrahman. Any problems, my heroes? Any questions? Okay, I told you that you can solve also question number 10. So I will move to question number 10. And for this question number 10, I will not solve it. I will send to you the solution. I will send to you the answer. We need to finish the line plot. Okay. Now, my heroes, any questions? Okay. Now, I will send to you the link of the game. Screen. Can you see my screen, my heroes?
No, I cannot even see the students.
Mm-hmm.
I'm seeing your screen.
Okay, you can see it. Now you can see it also?
Yeah, now.
Okay. So, now my heroes, I will tell you the answers. I will go through them. If you have any problems with any questions, tell me. Okay, for this question, we need to identify an outlier. The outlier here is this dot. It is 12 and 1/2. Any problems? If you don't have, do not use your mic. Okay, the next question. How many dots would be placed above 2 kilograms in a line plot of this data on Playpus weight? Okay, as you can see here, we have 2 kilograms. How many times? Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 4. It's repeated 4 times. Any problems?
No.
Okay, please, if you don't have, please do not use your mic. What is the most common number of books read by a student last week? Okay, very easy. This is 2 books. 2 books, because we have 4 dots here, and this is the greatest number of dots for anyone, for any number of books here. The next question. What is the least number of books read by a student last week? The least is 1, because it has only 1 dot for 1 book. We have only 1 dot. So the answer should be 1 book. Okay, again, my heroes, if you don't have any problems, please do not use your mics. For this one, what is the greatest number of books read by a student last week? The greatest number of books. So, not the most common. This is the greatest number of books. The greatest number of books is 4 books. Any problems? Okay, this is the last question. How many students read more than 2 books? Okay, in fact, for this one, we need to count more than 2 books, so 3 books and 4 books. Count them. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 books, 3 and 4. 3 books and 4 books. We have 2 dots here and 3 dots here. So it's 5 students. Okay, we have another question. Oh yes, this is the last one. How many students read fewer than 3 books? Fewer than 3, so 1 book and 2 books. We have 1 dot here and 4 dots here, so the total is 5 students. Any problems, my heroes? Any questions? Okay, thank you everyone. See you tomorrow and goodbye.